Hello everyone, I am Sakshi and I have a video for my class 5 students. As in this video I am going to explain you unit 1, that is review. Student, what is review? Review is the revision. That means whatever you have done in your class 3, 4 that you have to revise in this chapter. Our first question is write using Roman numerals. Don't worry, Roman numerals. We all have learned about Roman numerals in class 3 and 4, but I'll revise it for you. What is it? We use the numerals 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 to write numbers. So these numerals are called Hindu-Arabic numerals. But as you know, Romans uses 7 letters as numerals like I, V, X, L, C, D, M. They are called Roman numerals. As I stands for 1, V stands for 5, X stands for 10, L 50, C 100, D 500, M 1000. If you want to write 24, so what is 20 plus 4? So 20 will be 2x, 4 will be IV. So that is XXIV is our 24. If you want to write 40, so L is our 50. 50 may you have to minus 10. So that is your 40. If you are writing any number and you are writing another number left inside, that means you are subtracting it from it. If you're writing a number and you are writing another number at its right hand side, then that means you are adding the number. So this is your 60 and this is your 40. So let's do the question. 4. What will be 4 here? It is IV. 11, that is XI. 25, that is 22X and then V. 40 XL. So 40 is our XL and 5 is our V. 50 is our L. So it's very good that we have revised a very useful thing for us. Now our next question is question number 2. Fill in greater than, less than or equals to. Or you can have this question in the form compare the numbers. So guys, what we have to do is, this is what? This is a numeral form. So first we have to convert it into Hindu-Arabic. What it will be? It is 16. And what it is? It is 14. So which one is greater? 16 is greater. So I will put greater than sign here. Now this is 10 multiply 4. So it is 40. And XL, it is also 40. So we will put equals to sign here. Now next question, write the predecessor of. Predecessor means the number before. So what is the number before 30,300? It is 30,299. And what is before 78,700? It is 78,699. Now our next question is write the place value of the given digits. So first of all, I will mark ones, tens, 100, 1000 and 10,000 here. So what is the place value of 9? It is tens. So our place value will be 90. What is the place value of 5? It is 100. So that will be 500. Now again, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakhs. What will be the place value of 1 here? That is 10,000. So I will write 10,000 here. What is the place value of 2 here? That is 1000. So I will write 2000 here. Okay, now we have question number 6, that is fill in the missing digit. If you have a question in the form of addition, then what you have to do? If you have 6 here, so आप यहाँ पे which number we will add here so that we get 8, 2. अब 5 में मैं क्या प्लस करूँ कि 0 है, that means obviously I'll add 5 so that I get 10. तो यूनिट प्लेस में 0 मिलेगा तो आई विल ऐड 5 here. बट कैरी वाला साइन आई हैव टू राइट here. अब 4 + 1 5. 5 में क्या प्लस किया जाए कि 9 आए? 4. 3 में क्या प्लस किया जाए कि 6 आए? 3. ओके, नाउ वी हैव नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, मल्टीपल्स. Students, multiples, we will discuss about this in detail in our next chapters, but I will give you a short review over here. Multiple of a number is the number into a counting number. That means, example, अगर मैं multiple of 2 लेती हूँ, तो 2 into 1, 2 into 2, 2 into 3, 2 into 4. All these numbers are multiple of 2. Yani that comes in the table of 2, they all are multiples of 2. Again, I have taken example, multiple of 6. So 6 into 1, yani all the numbers that comes in the table of 6 are known as multiples of 6. So if there is a question, 5 multiply 16 is equals to 80. So 80 is what? 80 comes in the table of 16 and 5 both. So 80 is a multiple of 16 and 5. Now I have 2, 5, 7 or 70. So 70 is a multiple of what? Multiple of 2 as well. 5 as well, and 7 as well. Now next is our factors. What is a factor? In a product of two or more numbers, each number is a factor of the product. That means if I am multiplying two numbers, अगर मैं दो numbers को multiply करती हूँ, तो the product which I got, product के जो factors होंगे, they are the two numbers which we are multiplying. That means factor of 35 will be 7 and 5. If I take one more example like 2 into 5 is equals to 10. So factors of 10 will be what? 2 and 5. So now our question is 2 into 3 into 5 is equals to 30. So 2, 3, 5 are what? They are the products now. So they are what? Factors of 30. Next is our 18 and 4 are factors of 72 because 18 into 4 is equals to 72. So 72 is what? Is a multiple. Is a multiple of 18 and 4. Now we have odd numbers. As you all know, numbers that end with 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9 are called odd numbers. Example 11, 485, 97, etc. Even numbers, that the number that ends with 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8, or we can say that are multiples of 2, are called even numbers. So we have some questions. Let's solve them. Amongst 22, 36, 45 and 4831 dash are odd numbers. As I told you that numbers that ends with 1, 3, 5, 7 are odd numbers. So what is the number that ends with 5 and 1? So therefore 45 and 4831 is a odd numbers. Then what are even numbers? 22 and 36 are even numbers. Next we have simplify. So you have to simplify them. What you have to do is 29 into 5 minus 12 into 7 minus 13 into 5 plus 82 into 8. What you have to do in this question is first multiply all the numbers. 29 into 5 is 145. I have done it already. 12 into 7 is 84. 13 5 is 65. 82 into 8 is 655. Now what you have to do is you have to add the plus. The numbers having plus sign, we have to add them. So I have added them here, 801. Up the numbers with negative sign, so both negative sign. As we know, minus minus is our plus, yani the sum is minus, but operation we have to use is plus, and the answer that comes, that will have negative sign here. So 801 minus 149 will get 652 here. Now next question is write the first two common multiples of 2 and 5. First of all, I have to write multiples of 2, that is the table of 2. Multiples of 5, that is the table of 5 also. Now common multiples of 2 and 5, what? You can see that we have common 10 and 20 here. So what is the common multiple of 2 and 5 are? 10 and 20. Now we have a word sum, that is which number is 17,349 more than 28,643. Just as the question is saying, we have to do the sum. Number is equals to 70,349 more than matlab plus 28,643. You just have to add the number, then you get the required number. Now next question is the product of two number is 54,880. If one of them is 560, find the other. That means two numbers are there, product of two number is this. One number is 560, you have to find the other. So other number will be what? If equals together, this is in multiply. So if I take them to the right hand side, it will be in divide. So I have divided the number and I get the other number here. Now exercise 1B. Exercise 1B, we have some question in form of fill in. First question is 1 by 3 of 18. So we know that of means multiply. So 1 by 3 of 18, that is 1 by 3 multiply 18, it is 18 by 3 and 3 6 are 18. So we have the answer 6 here. 3 by 4 of 60, that is 3 by 4 multiply 60. So we'll get 180. 6 3s are 18, 180 by 4. I cut them, 4 4 is 16, 2, 4 5 is 20. So our answer is 45. Now B part. 14 by 9 is a or an fraction. Which fraction it is? As you can see that numerator is greater than denominator. So therefore this is our improper fraction. We all have learned about improper fraction, mixed fraction, proper fraction in our class 4 as well. Now this is a what? This is mixed fraction. Yes, because it has one integral part and this is their fractional part. Now in 52.643, the place value. First of all, I will expand the number. 52.643, that will be written as 50 plus 2 plus 6 by 10, 4 by 100 and 3 by 1000. So what is the place value of 5? That is 50. And place value of 6, that is 6 by 10. Place value of 4, 4 by 100. Now next question, 4 by 5 is equals to 20 by 25. So you have to write true or false. So what you have to do is you have to cross multiply the terms. 25 को 4 से and 20 को 5 से. So I get 100 both the side. That means it is true. Now our next question is change 14 by 5 into mixed fraction. As we know this is a improper fraction. We have to change it into mixed fraction. So what you have to do is you have to divide the numbers. So 5 to the 10, we get the remainder 4. How you have to write it? You have to first write the quotient and then the remainder and then the number. Okay, so this is your mixed fraction. Now B part, change 5 is to 3 by 8 into improper fraction. What you have to do is you have to multiply 8 with 5 and then add 3. So 8 into 5 plus 3. 8 into 5 40 plus 3 43 by 8. So this is your improper fraction because denominator is greater than the numerator. Okay. Now our next question, compare or fill in greater than, less than or equals to. So A part, I have to compare the numbers. So what you have to do is if your remainders are same, then what? The number greater in the numerator will be the greater number. But if your numerators are same, then the number lesser in the denominator will be the greater number. Okay. How I have done is you have to do the cross multiplication. If you do cross multiplication, what you get? 2 7s are 14, 7 5s are 35. Which will be greater? This will be greater. Again, 6 into 17 and 6 into 13. So which will be greater? Obviously 17 को 6 से multiply करते हैं, then we get the greater number. Now next, 6 is to 3 by 8 or 6 is to 3 by 7. So first I have converted into improper fraction and then I have done what? Cross multiplication. So I got that this number is greatest. So our greatest number will be this one. Okay. Next, 2.06 or 2.006. So 2 same in both the case. Point same, 0 same. Then now here is 6 and here is 0. So which will be greater? This will be greater. Next, arrange in descending orders. So students, if your numerators are same, then how you have to arrange them in descending order? Numerators को descending order में change कीजिए 8, 7, 5, 3. And in the same manner, your fraction will be in the descending order. 7 by 11, 5 by 11 and 3 by 11. Now our next question is, if a dozen plates cost rupees 480, what will be the cost of 7 plates? As you all know, a dozen is equals to 12. So that means we have given the value of 12 plates. 12 plates cost rupees 480. So one plate cost will be rupees 180 divided by 12. ज़्यादा दिया है, we have to find the lesser one, so we have to divide the number. So we'll get rupees 40. 7 plates cost will be, अब now you have lesser one. Lesser one का value you know, you have to find out the greater one. Then what it will be, we have to do multiply here. So 7 multiply 40 is equals to rupees 280. Now next is our exercise 1C. So what is our exercise 1C? You have to change करना है आपको sum of the numbers 4 months to weeks to days. So 4 months, for that I have to change months and weeks both into days. 1 month is 3 days, 30 days. So 4 months will be 4 into 30, 120 days. 1 week is equals to 7 days. So 2 weeks will be 2 into 7, that is 14 days. Now 4 months, 2 weeks. 4 months will 120 days. 2 weeks will be 14 days. So I will add both the numbers and I get the answer 134 days. Now true or false? 81 centimeter, is it equals to 8 meter 1 centimeter? I have to first convert this into centimeters. As you know, 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. So 8 meter will be 8 into 100 and I have to add the other 1 centimeter here. So I'll get 800 plus 1, 800 centimeter. As you can see, both the numbers are not same. So therefore it is a false. Next, 49 kg, 52 grams. As you know, 1 kg is equals to 1000 grams. So 49 into 1000 plus 52, that is 49,000 plus 52. तो 49,052. तो these are also not same. तो therefore it is true or false. It is false here. Yes. Now next is add. You have to add the numbers. 8 kilometers, 108 meters plus 16 kilometers, 32 meters. So what you have to do is 8 kilometers, 108 meters, 16 kilometers, 32 meters. हमेशा हमें पीछे से लिखना होता है. तो I'll add them. 8 or 2 10, 1 carry 4 1, 8 or 6 14, 1 2. So that is 24 kilometer and 140 meters. Now next question, multiply. You have to multiply 18 centimeter 9 millimeter with 3. So just multiply the number in a manner. 9 3 are 27, carry over 2, 8 3 are 24 or 2 26, carry over 2, 3 1 are 3 or 4 5. Just as it is, it's very simple. Now exercise 1D. Find the perimeter and area of a rectangle of sides 5 centimeter and 9 centimeter. This you have already done in class 4. So don't worry. Perimeter of rectangle is what? 2 multiply length plus 2 multiply breadth. So you have to put the values of length and breadth here. 2 multiply 5 plus 2 multiply 9. 2 multiply 5 is 10 and 2 multiply 9 is 18. So I'll add them 28 centimeter. This is our perimeter of the rectangle. Now area of rectangle, area is length into breadth. So 5 into 9 will be 45 centimeter. Just remember, your area will be in squares. So you have to write square units here. Now perimeter of square is 4 into side. And whatever the value you get, you will have to put a unit here. And area of square is side into side. Whatever the value you get, you will have to put square unit here. Now some concept of square, circle. This is a circle. A point, center point is this. If I mark center point to the boundary, then that is called radius. If I take one end of the boundary and put a line over other end, then that is your diameter. That means diameter is twice the radius. And the whole length, the entire length of a circle is known as its circumference. Now we have some questions. The diameter of a circle is equals to 2 multiply what? Diameter is 2 times its radius. So we have to write radius here. The entire dash of a circle is called its circumference. Entire what? Entire length of a circle is called its circumference. Guys, this is only a review, so don't worry. We will try to solve, or we will do all the questions of these types in further chapters also. Okay, thank you.